So first topic that was minerals. Minerals is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. Homogeneous, natural occurring substance with a deniable internal structure. Minerals, metallic, non-metallic energy minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, sandstone, etc. Ferrous containing iron or magnesium, nickel, cobalt, etc. Non-ferrous, copper, lead, tin, bauxite, precious gold, silver, and platinum. Distribution of minerals in India. Most of the metallic minerals in India occurs in the Peninsular Plateau, Rora Plateau, Chotanagpur Plateau. Over 97% of coal reserve occurs in village of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi, Godavari. Petroleum reserves are located in the sedimentary basin Assam, Gujarat, and Mumbai High offshore region in the Arabian Sea. Most of the major mineral research occurs east of Lai, linking Mangaluru and Kanpur. Minerals are generally concentrated in three broad belts India Gondwana gold, Dharwad, Chudon gold, iron, Vidyan non-metallic minerals, Vidyan, Gondwana, Dharwad, and Chudapa. Ferrous metal, iron ore, magnetic is the ferrous iron ore which very high content of iron up to 70%. Hemat ore is the most important industry iron ore in terms of quantity used, but it is slightly lower iron content than magnetite 50-60%. In 2018, almost entire production iron ore 97 occurred from Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Jharkhand. Reserve for topmost Odisha production Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Jharkhand region, Singhbhum region, Navamudi and Goa, Odisha region, Sudargarh, Moha, Airabhanj mine, Badampura, Visakhapatnam port exported North and South Korea, Odisha, Jharkhand belt, Durga Bastar, Chandrapura belt, Maharashtra, Goa belt, Bellary, Chitradurg, Chinkuri and Tumkuru belt, Karnataka, Baba Udan Hills, Kudremukh, Bengaluru, Mormugao, Dali, Rajgarh and Balidalia. According to Indian Mineral Yearbook 2018 had a long content of 72% of magnetic deposit in India. Magnesium is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferrous manganese is allocated used in manufacturing bleaching powder and insecticides and topmost producer Madhya Pradesh non-ferrous minerals copper is first metal to be discovered by humans. The bulk mine in Madhya Pradesh, Khetri mine, Junjunu, Alwar region in Rajasthan and Singhbhum district of Jharkhand are leading producer of copper. Khetri, Dahej, Balgot, Cobra, Bhubaneswar, Tuticorin's Aluminium primary ore bauxite it is used aircraft because it's lightweight. India bauxite deposits are mainly found in Amarkantan Plateau, Makal Hill and the Plateau region of Bilaspur. Kathani, Odisha is the largest bauxite producer. Panchapatmali deposit in Korpur district are the most important bauxite deposit in Odisha. Largest producer of bauxite Australia. Indalcia, Renakoot, NSCL, Korpur, Bhubaneswar. BSL Kobara headquartered New Delhi, Hindubooks, Malicon Selmi headquartered Mumbai, Indian Aluprama, Precious Metal Gold, Thomas World, Select Thomas produced India, Karnataka, Kolar, Goldfield, Ayuti, Goldfield, Andhra Pradesh, Ramgiri, non-metallic minerals, mica due to its exactly dielectric strength, lower power loss factor, insulting properties and resistance in high voltage. It is used in electric and electronic industry. Mica deposits are found in northern edges of Chota Nagpur Plateau, Gordon, Gaya, Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer. In Rajasthan, the major mica producing area is called Arrangement Nellore. Mica belt of Andhra Pradesh is also an important producer in the country. Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Jharkhand. This one are the limestone. It is a sedimentary rock. It's found in the association with rocks composed of calcium carbonate, calcium magnesium carbonate. It is a basic raw materials for the cement industry and essential for melting iron ore in basalt furious diamonds. Madhya Pradesh, Panna is the only state that produces diamond. Energy resources, sources of energies, conventional sources, non-conventional sources, bioenergy, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, energy from urban waste, conventional, commercial, coal, petrol, electricity, non-commercial, firewood, straw, dry, dung, coal, also known as boreas, sunshine, black diamond, black gold. Coal is most abundant available fossil fuels in India. Coal occurs in rock series of two main geographically areas Gondwana little over 2000 million in age and interstitial deposits which are only about 55 million years old. The major resources of Gondwana coal, which are metallurgical coals, are located in Damodar Valley, Jharia, Rajganj, Bokhara are important coal fields. Godavari, Mananda, Son, Varda valleys also contain coal deposit territory. Coals occur in the northeastern state of Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. Reserve Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Production Chhattisgarh, Odisha. निवाली तमिलनाडु लिग्नाइट सिंगल आंध्र प्रदेश तलचारा उड़ीसा रामगंज झारिया झारखंड बोकारो सिंगरौली मध्य प्रदेश और कोबरा छत्तीसगढ़ Types of coal has a calorific value, moisture content, carbon content, anthracite is 90% highest quality hard coal, bituminous 78 coal that has been deep and subjected to increased temperature. Lignite 50-70% grade brown coal which is soft with high moisture content. Peat is less than 50% decaying plant is swap produce peat, however low carbon high moisture content and low heating capacity. Petroleum. Most of the petroleum occurs in India are associated with anticyclone fault trap in the rocks formation of the terrestrial age. Petroleum is also found in fault trap between porous and non-porous rock. Gas being lighter usually occur above Buddha oil. Mumbai, High, Gujarat, Assam are the major petroleum production area in India. Is the most important field of Gujarat. Assam is the oldest oil producing state of India. Digobhai, Nakhtia and Mora Hurj Range are the important oil fields in the states. काबुला, खंभात, अंकलेश्वर, बेसहीन, मुंबई हाई, टाई आंध्र प्रदेश, offshore seabed and onshore earth, Digobai and Narkatia, and Moran Hungarijan, combination of 90% oil refinery of India. Wheels होते हैं impervious rock, track gas, oil, water reservoir rock. Natural gas methane CH4 is a primary component. Natural gas 70-90 natural gas is found with petroleum deposit release waste crude oil brought from to the surface used in fuel in power sector to generate electricity. Its major gas reservoirs are found in Mumbai High Aligned Field and along with West Coast are supplemented by finds in Cambin Basin along the East Coast. New reservoir of natural gases has been discovered in Krishna Godavari Basin. The first 1700 kilometer long Hazari-Vijay Jagdishpur HV cross-country pipeline constructed by pipeline in 1996 Galia India linked Mumbai High Basin gas field with various fertilizer power industry component western northern India electricity hydrogen energy and hydroelectricity is the process of generating electricity from kinetic moving water thermal uses of coal petrol and natural gas to generate electricity non-conventional source of energy, nuclear atomic energy. It is obtained by altering the structure of atoms, nuclear fusion. When such an alteration is made, much energy is released in the form of heat, and this is used to generate city power. Uranium, Jugdut mine, Jharkhand, and thorium, which are unavailable in Jharkhand around the range of Rajasthan. Monazite sands of Kerala is also rich in thorium. Our first nuclear reactor, father of nuclear program, S.G. Baba, nuclear power plant of India, Tarpa, Maharashtra, Kudankulam and Kallapur, Tamil Nadu, first breed reactor, Kaiga, Karnataka, Narur, Uttar Pradesh, Rawalbata, Rajasthan, Karpura, Gujarat. Nuclear power plant under operation India, Rajasthan Atomic Power Station, RPS-6, Kota, Rajasthan, Karnataka Atomic Power Station, KPS-2, Tapi, Gujarat, Tapi, Trapar Atomic Power Plant, RS Bosari, Master Kangai Generating Station, Keswar, Karnataka, Narito Atomic Power Plant, Narua, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh Power Plant, MS1, Power Tamil Nadu, Kudalkulam Power Station, Kudalkulam, Tamil Nadu. Solar energy is a renewable energy source of it radiates heat and send light from sun that can be harnessed to generate electricity and other form of energy. Photovoltaic technology converts sunlight during into electricity. International Solar Alliance headquarters Gurgaon. Wind energy it is a renewable sources of energy. India has a great potential of wind and the largest wind farm cluster in located in Tamil Nadu from Nagarchol to Madurai. Tidal and once tidal can be used to generate electricity in India. Gulf of Common, Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat is the west genetic bed in Sundarban region of Western provide ideal condition of utilizing tidal energy, ocean floor, high tides, high voltage tower, turbine, slute glasses, barrage, low tides. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy refers to the heat and electricity produced by using the heat from the interior of the earth. Two experimental projects has been set up in India to harness geothermal energy. One is located in the Parvati Valley near Maikarani in Himachal is located in the Punga Valley, Ladakh. Biomass, farm waste, animal human waste, and used to produce biogas, CO2 30 to 40%, CH4 55 to 70%. Domestic consumption in rural areas generated through anaerobic digestion, decomposition of organic material gas, which has a higher thermal efficiency comparison to kerosene, dung, cake, and cattle dung, are known as gobar gas plant in rural area. Anaerobic digestion microorganisms break down biodegradable material in the absence of oxygen. Move on to next topic, that was monetary policy. NDTL, net demand and time liability. RBI keep a part of your NDTL as a reserve. At present, CAR rate is India's 4% case reserve ratio. Reserve statutory liquid ratio at present, SLR rate is India's percent. Reserve is the form of cash gold. G section bank earn interest rate on SLR profit is obtained. Reserve in the form of cash bank does not earn any interest rate on CRR. Different assets and liabilities of commercial banks: share capital, initial money invested, loan taken from central bank, if any. Sometimes bank borrow money from RBI, demand deposit, saving account, current account liability, term deposit, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, investment in government security, MAT investment, government book loans, public gives to loan assets, deposit with central amount, deposit by bank with RBI, value old cash kept in bank for withdrawal by customers. Balance sheet assist loan liability deposits, term deposit, fixed deposit matters, storage a certain time, recurring deposit, SIP in mutual fund, demand deposit, saving account, some amount of interest rate is obtained. Around 0% rate given business used by purpose of having volume for transaction. Liquidity decrease, case more liquidity, easily usable gold and property, least liquid, inflation, deflation. RBI regulates money supply in the economy. Monetary policy with the use of tools. Monetary policy tools. Monetary policy continue on recommendation of Ajit Patel Committee. Six member, three government, three RBI, governor, deputy governor, executive. Money multiplier, maximum amount of new money created by the banks for every dollar of reserves, MMP and CRRs. When the cash reserve ratio are increased, the multi-year decrease. Monetary policy tools, quantitative tools, qualitative tools. Short-term G sector are called treasury bill in mature at less than 1 year within 91 and 90 to 364 days of maturity rate. Bank rate open market operation marginal standing facility. Bank rate 6.5. RBI provide loan to commercial without keeping any securities. Loan to non-collateral for long term. RBI bank rate is higher than the repo rate. Open market operation type: outright purchase, no promise to sell. G sector letter purchase agreement. G sector has collateral. NBC and NBFC FI needs not to maintain in CRSLR. Selling and buying of government securities short term. G section and case when inflation is high, selling of G6 by RBI; when then is deflection, buying of G6 by RBI. The purchase agreement collateral security are required. Repo rate, reserve repo rate, loan to a bank, RBI country inflation even with increase in reserve repo rate. Are banks loan for short-term repo rate 6.25% collectively called liquid adjustable facilities. The repo rate is the interest rate at which the RBI lends money to commercial bank, while the reserve repo rate is the interest rate at which RBI borrow money from commercial bank. Marginal standing facility 2%. NDTL is the limit in the overnight loan. CRSLR is not maintained but lend plus loan can use SLR quad G sector as a collateral only. Scheduled commercial bank can access MSP if bank cannot maintain CRR SLR, then call money rate is used. The interest rate charged for short-term loans between bank and other financial institution interbank leading. CA total CAR, SLR, BR, RR, triple R contractingly tight. Dear Hawkins monetary policies case 1 during inflation market में ज़्यादा पैसा CLR, SLR, BR, RR increase in regulatory interest rate high in order to keep inflation under control. Case 2 during deflation CRR, SLR, RR reduction in regulatory decrease in interest rate. Divorce easy expansionary monetary policies, currency deposit ratio CDR increased during the festive season because people withdraw money from their bank account to pay from extra expense. Money held by people in the form of currency, money in the form of deposit in the bank. Quantitative monetary policy tool of central bank. The site show that four more tools used by central bank economy to control credit inflation include credit change in managing government regulation of custom and credit and more. Since rationing of credit amount is fixed for industrial, household and other purpose, credit supply for each commercial bank add tax year margin is increased for unnecessary margin is decreased for necessary add tax year. Regulation of consumer credit installment amount, down payment, loan duration are all fixed in advance, used to control inflation in country. At tax year, credit limit for each sector is enforced by rules and regulation. Current regulation are fixed by central banks for a particular purpose. Physical policy used by Government of India to control inflation on deflation, MSP, subsidy tax. Disposal implement to control inflation. Monetary policy used by RBI. Physical policy used by government. MSP stand for many support prices. Price setup government for central agriculture products. Move on to next topic, that was money and banking. Physical activity performed by the banking. RBI logo feature a tiger and a palm trees. Classification of tiger. RBI Act of 1934. The first aerial 19. The first setup of RBI headquarters Calcutta, at present headquarters Mumbai 1937. Reserve Bank of India independent body was established on the basis of recommendation of Hilton Young Committee 1926. Recommendation taken from B.R. Ambedkar as first RBI Governor Osborne Smith, first Indian RBI Governor C.T. Deshmukh. Function of RBI: first, its regulated bank. RBI Act 1934. License CR SLR interest rate. Banking Regulation Act 1949. RBI was mentioned on 1st June 19. Nationalized on 1st January 1949. Regulation power to banking system. Corruption printing except ₹1 note under finance and Ministry of Finance. Legal tender fight money. Plastic money, credit card, debit card, etc. Hot money assets such as stock, deposit, bond, etc. Currency printing. Nasik, Divasa, Mysore, Salboni, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Noida. Quickly and regularly move between financial markets. Monetary policy. Lenders to of last resort and bank of banks. Clean Note Bank 1990. The objective of the Reserve Bank clean note policy is to give the citizen good quality currency note and coin while the solid note are withdrawn out of circulation. Fiat money is a type of currency that is issued by a government and is not backed by a physical commodity like gold or silver. Classifications of banking systems. Under second schedule of RBI Act 1930, scheduled bank, non-scheduled bank, commercial or cooperative bank, no-profit depositors are owner-profit, public sectors or bank, private sector banks, Indian Bank, HDFC, Kotak, foreign banks, example Citigroup, SBS, 12 national banks. Nationalism of bank in 1969, 14th bank and for 1986 banks. History of banking system in India, first bank 1770 Bank of Hindustan 1806. Imperial Bank of Calcutta 1840, Imperial Bank of Bombay, Imperial Bank of Madras 1843, merged 1921, Imperial Bank of India 1955, State Bank of India SBI. History of banking system in India, first Indian Owned Bank Allahabad Bank in 1865. Regional Rural Bank (RBIs) RBI Act 1976 to enhance financial activity in statutory bodies in rural areas. Example Grameen Bank, first Pratham Grameen Bank, 2nd October 75, Moradabad, UP. RBI was set up on 2 October 1975 on the recommendation of Narsim Rao Committee on Rural Credits. 15% holding by state, 35% held by sponsor banks, sponsor RRBs, 50% holding by center. RBI regulated by RBI, supervised by NARBADA. Reserve RRV. Other financial institutions, they received a 2nd April 19 headquarters Lucknow, CPD, Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Narmada National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development set up in 12 July 1984 on recommendation B. Sivaraman Committee 1978 through Narmada Act 1981. Function provide financial for agriculture and rural development, supervise cooperative bank and RBs, regulate RBI, supervise NARBADA. Does not deal directly with people, provide financial through PMIA, KCC, RuPay, Kisan Card. In 2015, Narmada had launched initiatives E-Shakti and E-Livelihood Enterprise developed programs Headquarter Mumbai National Housing Bank 1988 through Act of 1987, SIPA through CBI Act of 1970 established on 12th April 1988. Headquarter Mumbai Statutory Body Security and Exchange Board of India function to protect the interest of investment. Chairman Madan Puri Band, first woman, first non-IAS chairman. IBRADA established through IBRADA Act of 1998, statutory body on April 2000. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, NAFADA, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federal Government Limited, established on 2 October 1958. It was established by Government of India in 1965, subsidiary of RBL, LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India, later acquired 51% stake of Bank microfinancial institution (RBI) regulate the MIFs to achieve financial inclusive. In India, they offer financial service to low-income population. Loan, savings, insurance, microfinance loan is given to household having up to 3 lakhs. These loans are given for maximum 3 years. It is a collateral-free loan. Father of microfinance system, Mohammad Yunus, Bangladesh की consort of Grameen Model Bank and was given Nobel Prize in 2006. Bangladesh Grameen Bank. First microfinance institution in India is Sawaba Bank, was self-employed women institution set up in Ahmedabad. Business model of microfinance bank, self-help group, a group of 10 to 20 people came to find way to improve their living condition. Group of below poverty line people usually in rural area. Narvada started SHG bank linkage program 1992. Narvada also started MFA bank linkage model. Joint liability group of 4 to 10 people minimum could be a small business venture for profit. Mudra scheme, microfinance, collateral loan, micro union development and refinery agency loans into the third Shisu loan up to 50,000, Kishore loan up to 50 Tarun loan up to 5 lakhs, 10 lakh increase to 20 lakh in 2024. Net non-banking financial company NIPSA, Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance, Mahindra and Mahindra, they are registered under Companies Act of 1956, give loans in advance. On gold, they cannot accept demand deposit. Deposit not granted. They are regulated by RBI. They do not maintain CR, SLR. NBFC MFI leading limit 85% of total illness. Provide micro loans, microfinance services, maximum microfinance loans other than NBFC MFI 25% of total assets. Established through recommendation of committee, Meglima committee to the also CMSO of MFI to qualify for MFC license. They should have at least 75% of asset in microfinance, 50% limit of loan repayment, monthly obligation. A non-banking finance company cannot check demand deposit for public, cannot issue checks. Payment banks no loan deposit maximum 2 lakhs. Move on to next statement that was monsoon. 1st September, 15th September, 15 June. Nepal, 1st October, 15th October, 1 November, 15th November, 1 December, 15th December, Bay of Bengal. Factor affecting the climate of India: latitude, altitude, pressure, wind system, relief feature, ocean current, distance from the sea. Climate: the average weather of the given area over a long period of time. Data taken 30 years. Weather: the term refers to temporary condition of an atmosphere, including temperature, atmosphere pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, and or cloud. Towards winter, clean winds from Arctic Central Asia affect winter session. They are blocked out to certain extent by the Himalaya winter rainfall is upper atmosphere circulation below 90 to 30 km per height. Jet stream winds, Caspian Sea, Atlantic to Northern February, Mediterranean cyclone distribution, winter rainfall between periods Rabi crop because it was west in Enva western through jet stream is marked by increase in prevailing night temperature. Rainfall caused by jet stream in northern plains that carry western cyclone disturbance known by the name is Mawat in Rajasthan. Western disturbance are beneficial to Rabi crops in upper troposphere 9 to 13 km high speed of winds, polar jet, subtropical jet, equatorial jet streams shift north to south and south to east as the flood boundaries of hot and cold as subtropical jet, polar jet in both hemispheres. Jet stream blow west to east. Summer seasons ITC jet now shift in upper region. Tundra winds mid and air exceeds during July is 220 relatively high pressure in also in Indian Peninsula. India summer ray over Tibetan plateau intense heating create low temperature. Pre-monsoon shower northwesterly in Kyle Baisakhi, Bardoli, Cherrapunji in Assam, calamity in month of Baisakhi in western Bengal, helpful for growth of jute and tea, blossom shower seen in Kerala, Karnataka, help in growth and cultivation of coffee, mango shower seen in Kerala, help in lip reaping of mangoes. norwesterly blossom showers. Onset of monsoon derived from the Arabic word "mousim" means seasonal reserve of winds, beginning in Kerala first week of June in the Western Ghats, orographic rainfall Western Ghats, windward side onshore side rain shadow zone, leeward side offshore side wind from southwest direction, that is why known as southwestern monsoon. Rain-bearing wind Punjab, northeastern Himalayas, Khasi River, highest rainfall recorded in Mochiram, Cherrapunji. Desert is Bay of Bengal, Punjab, and Arabian Sea branch, Rajasthan desert wind from parallel to Aravalli, no rainfall. Bay of Bengal branch, Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon meet at Punjab, break in monsoon, sudden decrease in rainfall after the onset of monsoon. Retreating monsoon, also known as north-southeast monsoon, and it caused rainfall over Coromandel Coast, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. A clear sky, October 8, Principate cyclone disturbance. Warm city, El Nino polar jet stream, high pressure, wet, cold, wet, warm, and dry. El Nino warm, low pressure, wet, cold, polar jet stream, northwest winds, run the water, absolutely affect the monsoon. El Nino small girl, below average sea surface temperature in east central equatorial Pacific, cold phase in Mexico. El Nino meaning child is small boy. Average state temperature is Central Equatorial Pacific warm phase of Wisconsin. Trade winds weaken, allowing a warm air to spread eastward. Trade winds strengthen, pushing warm water westward. 7 years, 2 years to 7 years, seen every 6 7 years leads to cold. Global temperature lead to warm global temperature. It causes intense rainfall in Australia and in long heavy floods. Dire conditions in South America. It can cause rodination in Australia and US. El Nino extreme impact during the winter. Finance industry will flourish. Finnish industry will not flourish. Variation in temperature and daily range of temperature, daily range of temperature, annual range of temperature, annual range of rainfall. More in the interior of the continent and less in the coastal area. Extremist of climate Kanpur. The far we go from ocean into the continent, the more in the extremity of the climate due to the continental effect in Mumbai. Extremities of climate not seen. Coastal cities does not experience extremist climate due to moderate influence of sea, season and month. वसंत ग्रीष्म वर्षा श्रद्धा हेमंत शीर्षा चैत्र व्यास ज्येष्ठ श्रावण भाद्रपद अश्विन कार्तिक मार्गशीर्ष पौष माघ फागुन मार्च अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी. Köppen's climate weather short-term, climate long-term, roughly 30 years data is taken. Köppen is a primal climate condition. A huge capital and small little climate group represented with different codes on the basis of precipitation. Five major climate group A, B, C, D, E, F, steppe and W. Desert average climate of coldest month is at 10 degrees Celsius or higher. Continental evaporations exceed precipitation. The average temperature of the cold month of middle latitude climate year is higher than 3 degrees but below 18 degree. Average temperature of the coldest month is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Below average temperature from a month is below cold polar tundra type of climate due to extreme conditions. Pakistan BWS, SWA, CWK, ET, DIEFE, cold snow desert, AWA, BSWA, AMW, Arabian tropical monsoon, winter dry, SW, winter dry, summer dry, monsoon, full berries. Move on to next topic, that was Mughal Empire. Babur (1526–30). Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, Battle of Panipat on April 21, 1525. Use of gunpowder massively established Mughal dynasty, lasted till establishing British rule in India. Original Jayauddin Muhammad Daulata Khan Lodi invited him to India, called himself Uzbek. He assumed the title of Pacha. Mughal Tughlaq formation enemy. Tughlaq, Kol, Harwal, Kuar, and Chitrapal. Forefather side he was descendant of Temur, from mother side he was a descendant of Genghis Khan. When was of age 12-year-old he became the ruler of Fergana. In 1495 he was forced to leave his own after the Hooghly and other Mongol group invaded. He conquered Kabul in 1504. Military state of Tughlaq formation war of 1512 Battle of Panisha. He defeated Brana Sangha of Mewar at Kanwa, Battle of Kanwa. He defeated Medai Rai in Chanduri, Battle of Chanduri. He defeated Afghan Battle of Gaga between Babar and Muhammad Lodi. And he died at Agra. His tomb in Kabul. Ototujuki Babri in Turkestan gave excellence of Kabul to India and his empire. Translated in Persian named Babanama by Abdur Rahim Khanekah. Translated in English by Madam Bairwaji. Architecture built by Babar. Kabul Bagh Mosque in Panipat. Aram Bagh Agra, Humayun 1530, 40, 55, 55, eldest son of Baba acceded throne in 53rd. His succession was changed by Kamran Hindukul Laskari along with Afghans. He fought to battle against Sher Shah Afghani rule of Chausa 1539 and Kannauj Belgaum 1540. Humayun after losing battle took side as Safaviddin dynasty Iranian community represented by Sher Shah Sudha in 1545. His sister Gulaband Begum wrote his biography Humayun after Sher Shah's death by he regained his empire 1555 but Din Bina in Delhi as his second capital. Humayun's tomb New Delhi built by his widow Begum Haj Begum Shades of 1540 original Farauddin, son of Hasna Khan, the Ganges Sarasam, Ivan Lodi transferred his father Jahangir to him. 1590 defeated Humayun Battle of Chausa, title assumed Sher Shah. 1540 defeated Humayun in Battle of Kannauj, pilgrims and annexed Kannauj. He conquers Malwa 1544, Anandapur 1540, Rasiya 1553, Rajput annexation Marwar 1548, Chittor 1540, Kaliganj 1540, death in 1545 will Kaliganj buried in Sarsaram coin issue rupee fixed standard weightage and measure all over the empire built GT road runs from Calcutta to Peshawar present day Chittagong in Bangladesh Kabul से कोलकाता Sarai House full covered for rest for keeping material while driving through the GT road. Land revenue system land was merged and one-third of the average land was fixed and on land 8 the prison was given patta till dead and quarter deed of agreement which right and taxes Zamindar were removed and taxes collected. Built Purana Killa at Delhi, built in Sarsaram. Purana Killa at Delhi. Akbar of 1556-1605, one of the greatest ruler of Mughal dynasty, son of Muayyid, full name Abdul Fatah Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, seized the throne at the age of 13 and Kallanuru, Punjab, regained his tutor Bairam Khan. Second Battle of Panipat 15 between Humayun, the Hindu general of Muhammad Ali Shah, and Bairam Khan, the regent of Akbar. Himchandra Humayun was defeated, captured, and Salim Akbar win over the Rajput where possible and introduced Rajput king into the Mughal service and treated them at par with Mughal nobility. Married Akrabai, daughter of Baramal Kachwa Rajput ruler of Amber capital Jaipur in 1526. Rana Pratap Singh and son Amber Singh Sisodi Rajput Mewar capital Chittor did not recognize his supremacy. Battle of Haldighati 1570 battle Rana Pratap and Mughal army led by Man Singh of Amer. Rana Pratap was defeated but never surrendered. Religious proclaimed Din-i-Ilahi 1580 based on synthesis of values from the several religions like Hindu, Islam, Jainism, Christianity, only Hindu to follow this Bible. Note the popular built Fatehpur Sikri in the honor and celebration built in 1516. Jahangir was born and shifted his court from Agra to here. Also built Palan Darwaza for Salim built after Viceroy over Gujarat expenditure Agra, Lahore, Allahabad Fort, Kangra Fort in Himachal Pradesh considered to the oldest in India. Kumbhalgarh Fort, Rajasthan is built by Rana Kumbhai Sisodia Rajput clan of Mewar wall 36 km considered as the longest wall of India. 1530 Kumbhalgarh shifted to Sikar. 1585 shifted from Sikar to Lahore. From Lahore to Agra. Buland Darwaza Panchmahal Fatehpur built by Akbar. Navratna in 9 July Akbar Birbal other head Mr. Abul Fazl Scholar and Statesman Faisal brothers Abul Fazl Scholar and mentor Amul Prime Minister Basal Bandobast Japti Bangabas Mansabdar son of Barmal Mansingh Mansabdar grandson of Barmal Tansen musician Abdul Rahim Khanika Statesman Sindh poet Muldo Pyaj Akbar also built transitional department. Ramayana was translated into Persian by Abdul Qadari Badayan. Mahabharata was translated into Persian by Faizi Abdul Qadara and who called Ramzan. Faisal helped Akbar started Iqtidam religious discovery. Tansen originally served under Raja Ramchandra Singh Tomar, ruling in Gwalior, composed Draupadi Garwa and Rewa Gwalior, originally Brahman Tanu Kande. Abul Fazl wrote Akbarnama biography of Akbar. City unit of major land divided into Tansen equal part. Third, Din Nikopari admission Akbar inspired by Sher Dasuri. First about ancestor of second about region of Akbar played Rudraman Boba land revenue during Akbar region land type recognized Polaj land actually cultivated for each crop in succession Parvati land that can live for 1 2 years every time. Since Chochara land that had land follow for 3 4 Banjara land and cult for 5 years or more, which type cannot be lived follow. Revenue fixed in 10 year estimate known as the Salar tax day in Jabiyat, one third Evul Jajia. Administration start Mansabdari 1571. Mansab rank if the rank is more than the Mad Jahangir remains right for Jahangir. The system decided on the basis Sipahi. His rank reached 7000. Mir Aji Koka Raja Man Singh. Payment on basis of case Nagad Jagir La Test expenditure. Akbar defeated Mirabai Bahadur. Rule of Khandesa won Sigar fought in 1601. He died in 1605. Thoma Akbar Sikandar Agra. One linear Chandrabagh style army introduced by Mughal military monarch commander in Akbar Empire. Fauzzar Humayun's brother Kamran controlled Afghan and Punjab region. Emir Shah was given the charge of looking after the imperial household during the Mughal administration. Correct sequence order in the term of siege Paragana Sarkar Subha Kotwal Police Diwan Kotwalis Police Diwan's revenue Baksis assist military commander. मुगल्स के नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. देखो 1601 अकबर expanded to a fort of Asirgarh of Khandesh part of Ahmedabad won however his son Jahangir revolted in Delhi. Jahangir 1605 से 27 original Niauddin Muhammad Salim Prince Salim established Ziyaratullah chain of justice at Agra for seekers of royal justice known for his strict administration of justice. Amir Singh Sisode Rajput or Mewar accepted Mughal service during the reign of Jahangir. 1611 married Merunisa, widow of Sher Khan and Persian noble of Bengal, later known as Nur Jahan. 20th wife, she was made official Badshah Begum. She exercised tremendous influence over the state affairs. Other female members, including both Abul Hassan Asaf Khan and father, was given position at Jahangir's court. Jahangir also married Mamta Jagati Ghosh Ratovar, Princess Jodhabai of Marwar, Kachwar Princess. Son Shahjahan, 1680, visited William Hawkins, representative of Indian East India Company, was given Mansab of 400. 1615, Sir Thomas Roy, and a visit of King James I of England came to his court. Jahangir granted English to establish a port in Surat. He captured port of Ahmedabad. Malik Ambar sieged in territory of Balighat. Killed 5th Surg Arjun Dev. Khusro, son of Jahangir, revolted against the father Arjun Dev, who gave refuge to Khusro. Kurara, Prince Kumara, and Mahabad Khan revolted against him. Memories written Kujuge Jahangir purchased empire in Lahore. शाहजहां 1628 से 58 mother Jagatpuri Jodhabai, daughter of Raja Uday Singh, best known for his Deccan and foreign policy. Wife Multan Mahal died in 1633 year after Shahjahan accession to the throne. Original name Aruzmat Baban Begum. Shahjahan built Taj Mahal in her memory in Agra. 1825 architect design of Taj Mahal Ahmad Lahori. 1632 defeated Portuguese. 1637 annexed the mother Bijapur Kolkata accepted his sovereignty. Reason is described French travel, Baronian travel, and Italian. He visited India 6 times. Travel Niccolo Monzi book Travel Mongol Empire. He was a physician to introduce a new administration. Chakla travel in India. Pettori Mundi described famine occurred during his reign. His reign is said to be have a market pinnacle of Mughal Empire and is known as to promote art, culture, architecture built at Fort Jama Masjid, Taj Mahal, using sandstone. Delhi first excavated by Kakatiya dynasty, South India. Shahjahan built Diwaniyam where common people gather. Diwani cast all the important people, king and nobility sat here. Peacock throne made in elevated part. 1100 kg gold roughly coin largest diamond in human history stolen by Nadir Shah invasion 1739 AD. 1650 his family held set up of the farmer section along his son July 1650 Aurangzeb emerged to become his father in Agra fort when the died in captivity of 1660. He was buried at Taj Mahal, Agra, next to Mumtaz Mahal. Shahjahan formally confirmed the Arishika as his granting him title of Siajuddin Balban, Princess of Fortune. The art of decoration called Pitara during became popular during his reign of Shahjahan because Shahjahan wanted Dara Shikoh to accede the throne. Book Padam Shahan Badam Sunavi written by Abdul Hamid Lahori during his reign. Aurangzeb 1658-1708 defeated Dara Shikoh at Darma 1658 Samugar 1658 Deroi Varanasi held by Vasant Singh. After victory, he was crowned at Delhi. Title Alamgir. He captured Guru Tej Bahadur Shah, ninth Guru Sikh, and executed reason because he refused to embrace Islam. Guru Gobind Singh, tenth and largest Guru Sikh and son of Guru Tej Bahadur, organized following community calls to fight Muslim tyranny and avenge Father associated by Afghan and Nadir in Deccan. Bahadur continued the war against Mughal. Original name Lachwa Devi became a standard name as Madhav Das, earlier name as Bandhu Bahadur by Guru Gobind Singh. During the first 23 years of rule, 1658-81, Aurangzeb considered on North India. Aurangzeb 1658-1705, Shivaji most powerful Maratha campaign to Aurangzeb to eliminate 1655 Treaty of Understanding between Shivaji and Aurangzeb. concurred with Jai Singh or Amir Rajput in 1665. Shivaji Aurangzeb caught and was imprisoned but managed to escape in 1674. Claims that Chhatrapati died 1696. Sambhaji executed by Aurangzeb 1699. Bijapur annexed by Aurangzeb. Most number of Persian books were written during his reign. 1687 Golconda appointed Malay Lord Fatah al-Angry Muslim law Islamic law in Jizya Day 1705. Devgi Aurangzeb now Sambhaji Nagar buried at Koldava Daulataba. He was called Jinda Pe, the living saint. Hindu Mansabdari maintained their high provision. Later Mughal Bahadur Shah 1707-17 also known as Shah Alam I. The Shah 1712 seized the throne with the help of the Vicar Khan abolished Jizya. Farooq Siyar 1730-1796 seized the throne with the help of Sayyid brothers, also known as Kingmaker. Throne Prime Minister Mughal court is known as Golden Farman of British Asian Empire. Hussain Bil Ali Khan, Abdul Khan Barwa, Muhammad Shah 1974 he killed the Sayyid brothers. In Nadir 1799 he sacked the plunder the city of Delhi and took what was known as Rangila away. Immense amount of elimination was fought by the siege of running reign of Banul. Ahmad Shah Abdali was invaded also India 5 times between 1784-61. Ahmad Shah 1784 से Alamgiri 1754 से was also killed by Mughal Saradim Alam. He was blinded. Akbar second out 06 1737 or those of the Shah second out 57 last Mughal ruler. Administrations were led by Subedar Nizam was divided into Sarkar Fazul military district with further divided in Pragna Taluka Gram village. Sikandar Kulugam revenue collector under Mukabdama village headman revenue collector Amal Guljar important officials Mesa in charge of royal household mayor Bucks general intelligence Diwan revenue administrator Fazulzar maintain law and order Alam was the responsible collection of revenue Sardar managing judicial affairs the police chief at Pragna level Amin collecting revenue Chalka was the territory union between Subha and Pragna but and identical to Sarkar Rajput many Rajput kings those belonging to Amber Turkish under the Mughals were descendants and they were permanent to enjoy considerable autonomy as one Tanjagi. The Shankar Rajput family came to Saudari of rich province of Gujarat, Malwa. Raja Ajit Singh also held the government of Gujarat and Swai Ajit Singh was the governor of Malwa. Swai Ajit Singh funded capital of Java was given to Raja Ajit Singh founded his new capital as Jaipur. He was the Subadar of Agra and Mehrangarh Fort built by Rao Jodha Marwar and member of Rathod Mehrangarh. It is a Jodhpur known as Blue City. Jantar Mantar built by Swai Jai Singh second total 5 Jantar Mantar built Delhi first to build Jaipur largest Varanasi Ujjain Mathura Mughal architecture Charbagh style of Humayun's tomb Humayun tomb was built by his widow Haj Begum built Akbar Buland Darwaza built after his Gujarat victory formed the main entrance to Fatehpur Sikri Salim Chishti tomb redone in marble were built by Akbar Jahangir in the first Mughal building in pure marble place of purple place at Tansin Akbar Navartan also made inside the Fatehpur Sikri Jahangir built Moti Masjid in Lahore and his mausoleum at Safadur, Lahore. Some of the imported buildings by Shahjahan and Agra are Moti Masjid only mosque of marble. Khalsa Mahal Diwani Khas built by Shahjahan. Peacock Throne was here. It is inside Red Fort. Sheesh Mahal built by Shahjahan in Agra. Diwani Amber Common People Gazer built by Agra. Mosim Burja built by Shahjahan also known as Jaisim Place where she spent his last 5 years in captivity. Just John. Only building by Aurangzeb in Red Fort in Moti Mahal become Maqbara. Sambhajinagar where Aurangzeb spent his last year. Only movement by Aurangzeb in memory of Vairava Baiwalpur built by his son Azam Khan. Dilla Rizban Begum other name one linear Mazam. Petition in 59 was started by city Muqtada later known Muzaffarabad is built by Akbar. One thing I want to tell that was फारूक यार देखो शाहजहां आ गया शाहजहां का बेटा था औरंगजेब that ones move on to one linear Southern Wall Central Protective Movement of India is situated in Punjab Noor Jahan the tomb Itade Uddalal ilmi with Tirabla decoration of looted at Agra built by Noor Jahan in memory of her father Sultan Bulluri के title was given by Shahjahan to Daru Shikoh, not Diwani, Hall of Public Audience, Akbar, and later Shahjahan Agra Fort. Shahjahan when he shifted from Delhi Red Fort, Agra, Diwani का Hall of Private Audience, initially Akbar was the initiated by Shahjahan Akbar Fort, Shahjahan Red Fort, Delhi. Issued silver coins and hours honor of his wife Merunisa Chandra Begum wrote Charan during the reign of Shahjahan, describing the Mughal nobility. Mastam Khan wrote the biography of Jahangir known as Ibn Nama in Jahangir.